Kerri Halvorsen at Nestor Falls School singing a song that they composed with Rodney Brown entitled Sioux Narrows.
To the mainland, on the Sioux woods, there was a gap in a big fence before 1936, where the Sioux came to battle the Ojibwe, where our history begins. They planned a link from north to south. They decided to build a bridge.
Good Wednesday afternoon. I'm Gerald Graham.
And I'm Heather McLeod.
Welcome back to Voyage North from CBC Radio 1 here in Thunder Bay.
The old wooden bridge in Sioux Narrows is being immortalized in song by students at Nestor Falls School. We'll meet a couple of the young songwriters in just a few minutes.
A turn to the right. Tonight, CBC TV's Fifth Estate takes a look at right-wing media in the U.S. We'll talk to reporter Bob McEwen about the rise of the conservative voice south of the border.
And then at about 10 to 6, Don Genoa will be by with some food for thought. He'll have a look at the latest in kitchen design and some tips for kitchen renovations. Up around Pickle Lake and minus 21 in the Geraldton area.
And if you're listening to Voyage North in Pickle Lake, that's 105.1 FM. Here in Thunder Bay, 88.3 FM.
Well, Thunder Bay musician Rodney Brown is in Nestor Falls today. He's been helping students there turn their local history into music. A group of grade 4 to grade 8 students are penning a tune about a very special bridge in Sioux Narrows. Brandon Whalen and Kimberly Grant are on that songwriting team. I spoke with them earlier today.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Kimberly. Hi, Brandon. You know, I've never even seen this bridge. So first of all, will one of you tell me what it looks like and where it is?
Well, it's one of the longest single-span wooden bridges in North America and possibly the entire world. It is a big, long bridge, and it can fold up so boats go under it.
And is it right in town?
Actually, it's
Have you guys actually been there yourselves?
Oh, yeah. I cross it all the time to go to my sister Alexa's apartment in Winnipeg.
And I go to Winnipeg a lot and pass it because that's pretty much the only way to get there.
Okay, when you're driving your car, does it make a funny sound going over that bridge?
It does, but
a little bit.
right now they have a temporary bridge beside it because the actual wooden bridge can't hold the weight of the transport trucks anymore, and that's what you go across.
And doesn't the temporary bridge hold 15 tons?
Or something like that. I don't know
Yeah.
how long. But I know that when the wooden bridge was first built, it held 20 tons of weight.
But it's not as strong anymore.
No, from wear and tear and stuff. It was built in
1936.
I think some people are trying to convince the government to move the bridge to a safe place so that it can be preserved because it's historical.
So what about this whole story do you think you're going to write your song about?
Probably how long it's been there and the history of it.
And what kind of stuff that, like,
It's
how long
been
it
through.
took to build it and stuff.
Have you guys ever written a song before?
We wrote like a verse.
Yeah, we wrote a short verse of about the weather last time Rodney Brown was here.
How was that?
It was pretty good. It was a good song, and then he wrote music to it on the guitar.
Cool. Do you like songwriting now?
Yeah, it's fun.
And how about your relationship to the bridge? Do you look at it a bit differently now that, you know, you've researched it and everything?
Yeah.
How so? What does it make you think of now?
Well, it makes me think of, like, it's been there for such a long time, and they originally built it because they were building a highway from Kenora to Fort Francis, like a highway that connected both the cities. So that's why they built the bridge, and now I see it like that if it wasn't there, we'd never be able to get to Winnipeg, wouldn't be able to get to Kenora from where we are.
It was rehabilitated in 1982.
How about you guys? Would you like to see it preserved?
Yeah, I think it should be preserved because it's a very historical bridge. I mean, it's
beautiful.
what he said.
There you go. Well, I'll tell you what. Do you think you'll be finished the song by the end of the day today?
Yeah, probably.
How about if you call us back and sing us the song on our talkback line,
Okay.
and then we'll play it tomorrow morning so everybody can hear it.
Alrighty then.
Well, thanks for telling us the story today.
Okay.
You're welcome.
All right, bye-bye now.
Bye.
Kimberly Grant is in grade 8, and Brandon Whalen is in grade 5, and they're both at Nestor Falls Public School. If all goes well, you'll be able to hear them and their classmates singing their song about the wooden bridge of Sioux Narrows. We're planning on playing it on the Great Northwest with Lisa Lacko, maybe tomorrow morning if we get all our ducks in order in a nice and timely manner. If not, the day after that.
Mm-hmm. It's a wonderful bridge. I haven't been there in a few years, but it's a wonderful old bridge right in Sioux Narrows, just down the road to Nestor Falls. You'll have to get there this summer.
I have to boogie down before it gets moved or torn down, because it does sound like worth seeing.
It is. It's a wonderful drive down here as well. You're listening to Voyage North on CBC Radio 1. I'm Gerald Graham, along with Heather McLeod. James Taylor with the Globe and Mail, a cup of tea.
Us wrote a song about polar bears. Victoria Hammond and Finn Chapolsky were on that, sorry about that, Finn Chalupsky were on that songwriting team, and I spoke with them yesterday.
Hi. Hi.
So tell me about polar bears. What have you learned about polar bears?
Polar bears, well, they're really big, and they could be as big as a small car. They can stay in the water for 2 minutes. Well, some polar bears can float on the ice pack.
Wow. So what parts of what you learned about polar bears did you decide to put in your song?
Pamela the Polar Bear lives by the sea. She's a carnivore and flat-footed and pigeon-toed.
And why did you want to write about polar bears in the first place?
We thought it was going to be really cool because we were learning about it, so we thought we could make a song about it.
Do you like the song?
Yep.
And did you like writing the song?
Yeah, really much.
How did you do it?
Well, we just thought about some words, then we put it all together and made a really good song with it.
What was your favorite part of writing the song, Finn?
My favorite part about the song was the very beginning of it.
The first line?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Pamela's pigeon-toed and she's spot-footed. That's my favorite part.
Cool. Do you look at songs differently now? Do you think you understand more about songs?
Yeah. Yep.
Would you like to write a song someday on your own?
Yeah, when I grow up. Yep.
Cool. Okay, now, you know what? I want to get the whole class together as soon as we can, and we're going to hear the song.
Okay.
Okay? Well, thanks for telling us all about it, though.
Thank you.
Congratulations. It sounds like it's a good job. Bye-bye now.
Bye. Bye.
Now, here they are, Nestor Falls' youngest songwriters, accompanied and introduced by Rodney Brown.
So this is Miss Halvorsen's JK to grade 3 class, Nestor Falls School, singing a song they composed with Rodney Brown entitled Pamela the Polar Bear.
That was Kerri Halvorsen's junior kindergarten through grade 3 class with their song Pamela the Polar Bear, the best rendition we could get over the phone on short notice. Now, Rodney Brown was at Nestor Falls School yesterday to help them compose that